Hi, welcome to Backyard Growing SA, and here are 17 vegetables you can start in May. Let's get to it. So first up, as usual, is going to be beetroot. So with beetroot, you want to soak it overnight for 24 hours in water. Then it's going to be 10 to 14 days to germinate. It'll be ready to harvest in 40 to 60 days. And this is the dark red one over here. This is the normal ones. Carrots. So carrots takes 14 to 21 days to germinate. We're ready to harvest in 12 to 16 weeks. Let me just show you guys. I do need to thin those carrots out. As you can see, all of it's growing next to each other, but this one at the back I'm just going to pull out. I know I need to thin this out, but not yet. I'm just waiting till this ones get a little bigger. Like this one over here. It's not long, but it is fat. So here's the carrot. But most of these ones is gonna come the size out. So broad beans can take 10 to 15 days to germinate. And it'll be ready to harvest in 12 to 16 weeks. This is runner beans, but I don't have broad beans, so I'm just showing this. So peas can take 6 to 17 days to germinate, and it will be ready to harvest in 60 to 70 days. You can see the peas is coming now out. Turnips. So turnips you want to directly sow. Turnips you can take 7 to 14 days to germinate. They'll be ready to harvest in 60 to 80 days. So I'm just gonna plant it in rows and then thin it out later on. Onions. So onions is gonna take 7 to 10 days to germinate. It'll be ready to harvest in 100 to 125 days. So this one is all seedlings, is from seeds, and this is from the cuttings of an onion, and this one over here, and that one over there. Radish can take 7 to 10 days to germinate and be ready to harvest in 30 to 40 days. But this one I'm growing for seeds. So most of those ones I'm growing for seeds because I do not have any more seeds. Cauliflower. So cauliflower is gonna take 10 to 14 days to germinate. It'll be ready to harvest in 50 to 100 days. So here's one what is still growing over here, and something has been eating this one. So I'm gonna have to see what I can do at night. Come out and maybe see if there's any slugs or snails. So lettuce is gonna take 7 to 10 days to germinate, and will be ready to harvest in 30 to 70 days. But technically you can harvest it whenever you want to, because if you're growing the leafy green ones, then you can just pull the leaves off. But pull out the outside leaves and then leave the inside so it can grow bigger. Next up is celery. So celery is gonna take 14 to 21 days to germinate, and it'll be ready to harvest in 85 to 125 days. But the same with lettuce. With celery you can just cut off pieces you need, and then that's how you can use it as well. Baby spinach. So this is gonna take 5 days to a month to germinate. So it'll be ready to harvest in 37 to 45 days. So this takes quite long to germinate. And this is the only one I have out of all the 9. And you do want to soak them in the water for 24 hours before you plant them as well. Swiss jar. So Swiss jar is going to take 7 to 14 days to germinate, and we're ready to harvest in 70 to 80 days. So I suggest you grow Swiss jar because in South Africa we anyways call it spinach, and it takes much quicker and it grows quicker than the baby spinach anyways. So this is much better to grow. Next up we got this kale. So kale is going to take 6 to 12 days to germinate, and they'll be ready to harvest in 55 to 75 days. Cabbage is going to take 7 to 10 days to germinate. They'll be ready to harvest in 80 to 180 days, but this is baby head cabbages. So this 6 on the side is going to be the green one, and this 6 on the side is going to be red. I planted in here and here and it didn't come out, but for some reason this one germinated 3 in here, so we will see. Next up is broccoli. So broccoli is going to take 7 to 14 days to germinate. They'll be ready to harvest in 55 to 85 days. Leeks. So leeks is going to take 10 to 14 days to germinate. They'll be ready to harvest in 100 to 120 days. So with this ones, the others did not germinate, so I did plant more in here. I put about 6 in each tray, and then after that I'll just split them up and then I plant them individually. So before you want to plant your parsley, make sure you soak them overnight or for 24 hours. So parsley is going to take 10 to 28 days to germinate, and will be ready to harvest in 60 to 80 days. But as you can see, they already look good now, so I can cut off the bigger ones if I need it, because there is smaller ones coming along anyway. So if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Backyard out.